Hi, I'm Matthew Fitzgerald with SalesDialers.com, and today we're going to talk about how to transfer a call to an outside number. One of the great features of our solution is that you have the ability to transfer a call to any outside number. This is going to be an invaluable tool for hot leads or maybe to begin the sales process with a third-party company. So let's go take a look and see how easy it is to transfer a call. All right. It's easy to transfer a call on the fly by just merely typing in the number that you want to transfer the call to. When you're calling a campaign, you have the ability to transfer a call to any outside number. Now, it is a warm transfer so that all three parties are on the line to start off so that you can introduce your prospect to the third party, or maybe it's a case of where your agent is introducing the prospect to you. After the introductions are done, you or your agent can then hang up the call and the dialer will go back to dialing. So let's see this in motion. So I'm going to begin by launching a calling campaign. All right. Hello. All right, so now we have the call, the person answered, and this green button right here with the little arrow next to it is the transfer call button. So I'm going to press this, and now this opens up right here, and I can type in the number that I wish to transfer the call to. And press submit. For the purpose of this demonstration, I'm transferring the call to my cell phone here in my hand, and my phone is now ringing. Hello. And that's how easy it is to transfer a call in our system. It's a matter of just pressing the transfer button and sending the call off. And then you can click the button again, and that will disconnect the call. And that's it. Now, I only had one contact in the campaign that I was dialing, so as soon as it was finished, it stopped. But on a normal campaign with other numbers, the system would have went right back to dialing. So that's it. That's how easy it is to transfer a call to any outside number with Sales Dialers. Thank you, and have a great day.